I'm Veronica and this is Lara, and now I'm gonna show you how to make egg sandwich. So here are the ingredients. So we have 4 boiled eggs, and here have we got mayonnaise and salt, some bread yet, and yet some pepper, a container, a spoon, and some knives. 2 knives and 4 eggs. So we're gonna start with removing the shell of the egg. Lara will start peeling. While Lara's removing the shells, will I help her peel a little? Peel this one. Now cut it. First, make sure that there's no more shell on the egg. I'm gonna cut this egg.
Cut whatever.
Lara's peeling the shell of the egg, and I'm gonna cut the egg. And it's so gross. It's totally gross to touch the egg. Help me peel a little. Before we touch this, I'm gonna wash the hands. I cut this egg. First, should we check if there's no more peel of the eggs? And there's some peel. Then cutting it. Yeah. After cutting, do you need to put it in the container? And then after we put the eggs in the container, is Lara gonna put the mayonnaise inside the container on the eggs. Just crimp it. So we scrape off the egg in here. Now it's gonna Lara put the 6 spoons in from my spoons. Just dip it in. 6. 1. 2. 4. Last one is 6. Now mix it with a spoon. Then add salt and pepper. And the salt in your hands, and you can estimate how much salt you need for this. And then we're gonna use some pepper. Also, and then mix it. That's all the ingredients are getting mixed. In our bread. So we are done with the egg, and then we're gonna put in the bread. put it on the bread. 3 spoons. 2 spoons. 3 spoons. Bread. And the egg sandwich. Now we got our egg sandwich. That was delicious. Now I'm gonna make my own egg sandwich. Tasty. Bye. It's so silly. Hi guys, I'm Veronica and this is Lara, and now I'm gonna show you how to make egg sandwich. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to. I'm Veronica and this is Lara. Come on. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Show you how to make egg sandwich. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make egg sandwich. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make egg sandwich. So here are the ingredients.
Go.
So here are the ingredients for the egg sandwich. So here are 4 eggs, boiled eggs,